Hey Mark, it's Mary Elizabeth over at Tameron Honda. Super excited. I have that black edition Ridgeline right here behind me. But first, let you know what's going on here at the dealership. We're making sure that we're taking every precaution to keep everything sanitized and definitely clean, just so that you can feel comfortable to come to our dealership and spend time with us. Not only that, but if that doesn't make you happy, I can bring the car out to you. You can test drive it on terrain that you're used to driving on. Make sure you love everything about it and go from there. Not only that, let's go one step further. The manufacturer itself pushed your payments out by 90 days. You're rolling over into August time frame now. This is the time, and we understand that COVID is going around. This is why we're making sure not only taking precaution, making you comfortable, but seeing to that keep your budget where it needs to be too. Now, going back to the Ridgeline, the black edition is right here behind me, as I mentioned before. Automatic, high beam, low beam lighting, everything is blacked out. This is a beautiful machine. Now, it even has a moniker to let you know that it is the black edition. You will have Honda Sensing, which gives you adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, even collision braking. It's just smart enough to keep you inside the lane. Won't let you go over unintentionally. And then on top of it, it makes sure that you don't run off the road or into anything or anyone. Blacked out completely. 18-inch alloy and aluminum wheels goes perfectly. And check out the inside. Red stitching just makes it a little bit more fiery. This thing not only looks good, but check out some of the amenities. You'll even have touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, memory positioning, leather seats all the way around, and ventilated and heated. Telescopic steering wheel to go along with everything else. And then if that doesn't work, to boot, they even gave you stadium seating in the rear, just a little bit higher, so no more motion sickness for the people that bother with that. No gas cap, because we want you to not have to go to the service center to turn off a check engine light for clicking one too many times. Dual action tailgate, bring it down, or either swing it out. And yes, it's all-wheel drive, made to work just for you. Now, this is what I absolutely love. Not only do you have the truck bed lights, scratch dent free, yep, got that. Okay, you also have a 82-foot cooler down in the bottom that doubles as a trunk and has a drain, so just in case you're ready to drain out on the way home, you can put everything where you need it to be. Now, that's just cool in itself. You got rear truck auto. There's so much more on this, I can't even fit it into this video. So Mark, do me a favor, give me a call. Let's go over your options, your features, most importantly your budget. Make sure we're in line and have everything trimmed out just for you. Now again, I'm Mary Elizabeth. I'll be your specialist here at Tameron Honda in Hoover, and I can make you this promise: once you get here, or when I get to you, you're going to love the way you're treated. Bye.